Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make easy cabbage curry. So let's get started.
I've got here quarter drumhead cabbage which I have rinsed and thinly sliced, 1 small onion thinly sliced, 2 tablespoons of oil, half teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds, 1 red chilli cut into small pieces, 2 cloves of grated garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric. Place a fry pan on medium heat, add oil and heat it. Add cumin and mustard seeds, mix it and cook it for 30 seconds. Add onions, chillies and garlic. Give it a mix and cook it for 1 minute. Add cabbage, turmeric and salt. Mix it well. Cover it and cook it for 8 minutes, stirring it frequently. After 8 minutes, give it a mix and taste your salt. It doesn't need any more salt, but you can add it according to your taste. Turn the heat off and transfer it into a dish. My easy cabbage curry is ready and you can serve it with roti, poori or rice. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.